Hey tech lovers, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of toaster ovens that don't live up to your cooking expectations? Get ready for our top 5 best toaster ovens of 2025. These kitchen powerhouses are not just for toasting. They bake, broil, and even air fry, bringing versatility and convenience to your countertop. Whether you're making a quick snack or preparing a full meal, these models deliver outstanding performance and precision. I've included links to the best deals for each product down in the description. Keep in mind, the toaster ovens aren't ranked in any specific order, so stick around until the end to get the full picture. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Cuisinart Taub 135N. With 1800 watts of power, it delivers consistent results for all your cooking tasks, including baking, broiling, toasting, and convection cooking. It can easily fit a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, making it versatile for various meals. The convection fan ensures that heat is distributed evenly so your food cooks quickly and uniformly. Plus, the exact heat sensor provides precise temperature control, and the always even shade control guarantees consistent toasting. The toaster oven's 0.6 cubic foot interior is spacious enough for most daily cooking needs, while its non-stick interior coating makes cleanup a breeze. The LCD display with blue backlighting adds a modern touch, and the retractable cord provides convenience for storage. The unit also includes a baking tray and broiling tray, enhancing its versatility in the kitchen. Priced around $179.95, the Cuisinart Taub 135N provides excellent value considering its power, features, and the 3-year warranty. This toaster oven is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, multifunctional appliance that doesn't take up much space on the countertop. If you're looking for a powerful and compact toaster oven that covers a range of cooking tasks with ease, this model should meet your needs. However, if you're limited by space or need a simpler option, you may want to explore other models. Number 4. Toshiba AC25CEWSS. Top choice for diverse cooking needs. With 1500 W of power and a temperature range up to 450 degrees, it delivers fast and even cooking. Its spacious interior can accommodate 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, making it great for families or hosting guests. A standout feature is its rotisserie function, allowing you to prepare perfectly roasted meats, and its convection cooking ensures food stays moist and flavorful. The oven supports several other functions like toast, bake, broil, and reheat, adding to its convenience for quick meal preparation. It also includes accessories like a baking rack, pan, and rotisserie kit, so you're ready to cook right away. Ease of use is simplified with an LCD display and easy-to-turn knobs, making the oven user-friendly. The stainless steel exterior not only ensures durability but also provides a sleek, modern look for any kitchen. Cleaning is easy thanks to a removable crumb tray and non-stick interior. Priced around $100, the Toshiba AC25CEWSS provides great value considering its features and versatility. It's perfect for those who need a reliable and compact oven capable of handling various cooking tasks efficiently. This toaster oven is a solid choice if you're seeking an all-in-one, affordable kitchen appliance that can toast, bake, broil, and more. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Pro. High-performance kitchen appliance. Equipped with Element IQ technology, it intelligently distributes heat across 5 quartz elements, ensuring even and precise cooking results every time. The inclusion of convection cooking helps to speed up the cooking process by circulating hot air, cutting cook times by up to 30%. This oven boasts 10 cooking functions, including toast, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, slow cook, and a dedicated setting for each function to ensure optimal results. The slow cook function allows for up to 10 hours of cooking at low temperatures, perfect for tenderizing meats and developing rich flavors. Additionally, priced around $299, the Breville Smart Oven Pro is well suited for anyone looking to add a reliable and multifunctional oven to their kitchen. Its combination of quick cooking, multiple functions, and precise heating makes it a great choice for those who love cooking and want a versatile tool to handle everything from baking to slow cooking. If you're after a kitchen appliance that can do it all without taking up too much space or requiring a lot of time to master, this oven is a top pick. Number 2. Valcucina TA25GB3. Featuring infrared heating technology, it ensures faster and more even cooking, making it ideal for various meal preparations. With 10 different cooking functions, including air frying, grilling, baking, and toasting, it provides exceptional flexibility. The digital display and button controls allow precise temperature settings up to 400 degrees Celsius, supported by 1750 watts of power for efficient cooking. It also includes a removable basket, crumb tray, baking tray, and a recipe booklet, providing everything needed for an enjoyable cooking experience. Designed with a 25-liter capacity, the TA25GB3 is compact yet spacious enough for many meal types. It is built with a durable stainless steel exterior in a stylish matte black finish. This appliance is priced at around $115 to $149, offering great value for a multifunctional kitchen tool. The Val Cucina TA25GB3 is perfect for anyone looking to save space while still enjoying a variety of cooking options. If you need a reliable and efficient kitchen companion that can handle both small and larger cooking tasks, this is a great option for you. Number 1. Our Place Wonder Oven. With the ability to air fry, bake, roast, toast, reheat, and broil, this oven offers versatility for a variety of meal preparations. Its 12-liter capacity is ideal for small to medium-sized meals, and it cooks faster than traditional ovens, reaching up to 450 degrees and preheating in just minutes. The oven features steam infusion technology, which helps keep food moist while crisping the outside, making it perfect for items like French fries, roasted veggies, or reheating bread. The Wonder Oven's minimalist design features simple manual knobs to control temperature, cooking mode, and timer, which gives it a classic, no-fuss appeal. Despite its compact size, it has the ability to cook a 4.5-pound chicken or multiple servings of food, making it a practical option for families or individuals with limited space. Available in several attractive colors like steam, char, and spice, the Wonder Oven combines form with function. With a price of $175, it offers great value for those looking to replace multiple kitchen appliances. It's especially well-suited for those with limited counter space or anyone seeking a quick, efficient cooking solution. However, if you need a larger cooking capacity or prefer digital interfaces, it may not be the best choice.